In this video, I'll show you how to simplify the character creation process by using just 4 colors. Hi there, Andrew here. In previous videos, we were working with relatively simple shapes and objects. Characters are many simple shapes just added together. Where the other projects were concerned with tiling, here we care mostly about the silhouette, color, and detail in that order. Open a new document with a size of 64 pixels by 64 pixels. This is more space than we need for our character, but it'll give us plenty of room to animate the character later. Older systems like the Game Boy only had 4 colors to work with and still managed to create memorable characters. By starting with a limited 4-color palette, we can focus more on contrast and areas of interest for our character before we start adding colors and details. This will make sure we are focusing on what matters, our form, without getting distracted by choosing and shading the right colors. The most important feature of any character is their silhouette. It's how we determine what we're looking at in an often busy game scene. Because of this, I'm starting with a single black color to block out most of my character. I'm trying to make sure that the shapes here reflect the concept Ricardo sketched out in a previous video, while still adhering to our limited pixel size. Once I'm satisfied with the silhouette, it's time to add some contrast. By using white and a light and dark gray, I can block out areas of my character where clothing, skin, hair, leather, and metal will be. By alternating the light and dark gray areas of the body, I can create contrast that will make the character's details easier to pick out. Even though the eyes are just a few pixels, the large contrast between white and black help them pop out from the figure. By being smart about where we keep the highest and lowest contrast areas, we can make just a few pixels work for fine details. I'm keeping a strong outline for the character. This will make the animations easier to pick out, and the main character should be the highest contrast object in the scene anyway. In the next video, I'll show you how to bring color to our character.